Condition tables in SAP are used to manage the pricing conditions for business processes. They define how various pricing elements such as prices, discounts, surcharges, and taxes are determined using certain criteria like customer, material, sales organization, and more. Each condition table is a combination of fields that define the uniqueness of a pricing condition record. By organizing pricing data in condition tables, SAP enables flexible pricing strategies that can easily be maintained and altered according to the business requirements. In this video, we are going to see how to create a new condition table and add it in existing access sequence to use it in sales processes. To create a new condition table, let's go to IMG screen, then Sales and Distribution, Basic Functions, Pricing Control, Condition Tables, Field Catalog, and then click on Create Condition Table for Pricing in Sales. We will number our table as 992. In this screen, we will select and add our fields. Let's add our first field in the combination, that is Sales Organization. Now let's add distribution channel, then division, and at last customer. Click on generate and our new condition table will be generated and saved. Now let's assign this condition table in an existing access sequence. For this demo, we will add this in MWST, that is taxes access sequence. Click on New Entries. Enter a new step 30 and in the table column enter the condition table 992 that we just created in our previous step. As a next step, make sure to click on fields or else the system will show an error and we will not be able to use this combination. Click on save and our combination is added in MWST access sequence. Now let's create a condition record for this combination. To do this, we will go to VK11 and then select the combination and maintain the entries. We will take customer 11 and enter 10% as tax rates for this combination. Click on save and our condition record will be saved. We will go to VK13 to validate this condition record. There you have it. In this video, we have seen how to create a new condition table, assign it to an existing access sequence, and create condition record to use it for sales processes.